What's good, everybody? So if you're a photographer, you're into video production, maybe you do some podcasts or video interviews, you definitely need to have a lighting setup. Today, we're going to show you these two small 22-watt key lights that you can use to brighten up your shot. You get lights, 2 tripods, AC adapters. They also come in 3 different color modes. I'm going to be showing you their features and whether or not this is something you may want to consider in your photography bag. Stay tuned for the whole video. So this is the NiceVeedi 22 video light kit. It comes with 2 long tripods, 2 22-watt lights. So they do have to be powered. And it's got a basic controller with the on-off. And then you got your dimness. So I'm just going to show you kind of like what we're doing here. So this is the dimness level. And then we're going to go increase it all the way up. Now the light is pointing straight up, as you can see. And it's a pretty good light for like a back key light or like a highlight for a hair. I wouldn't necessarily use this as my main key light, right? It's not strong enough, but it's pretty good. And then you do have different color temperatures, only 3. If you hold it, you have more of a smoother transition, see? If you click it, it gives you like a 10%. But if you hold it, the dimness, it gives you a much smoother dimness, and that's the lowest level. This is the tripod that it comes in. It's got 5 adjustments. Basically, you pull this down this way, and then it stands here. You tighten this one here, and then you unscrew these, and then these go up. So there you go. So it's about 5 feet or so. You could bump those a little closer together just to get that extra 5 inches, but your light goes here. So essentially it is like on a 6-foot level. I wish this was maybe an extra 2 feet taller, but it is what it is. And then you attach the light right through here. And then of course the light has a swivel so you can adjust it. Now I recently used these on an interview to create a backlight and it was actually pretty good. Anyways, pretty decent light in my opinion.